Hello everyone, if you're dreaming of making the UK your permanent home, you're in the right place. Today we dive into the world of the Indefinite Leave to Remain, or ILR, as it's commonly known. This status opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to live, work and study in the UK without any restrictions. Imagine all the opportunities waiting for you. But that's not all. The ILR is also a stepping stone towards British citizenship, which you can apply for after a year. So whether you've been in the UK for a while or are just starting to think about making the move, understanding the ILR is a crucial step. Our goal is to demystify the process, helping you understand what it is, how to get it, and what benefits come with it. I'm here to guide you through obtaining your Indefinite Leave to Remain, ILR, also known as Permanent Residency, PR. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Applying for Indefinite Leave to Remain? It's possible to apply after 3, 5, or even 10 years in the UK, depending on your visa. Let's delve into the eligibility criteria. Firstly, you should have lived and worked in the UK for a minimum of 5 years on a skilled worker visa. That's a significant chunk of time to immerse yourself in British culture and society. Secondly, you must meet the government's salary requirements, both before and after obtaining your ILR. This ensures that you can support yourself financially in the UK. Lastly, you'll need a document from your employer confirming your ongoing employment and salary. This serves as proof of your financial stability. Now, when's the right time to apply? The earliest you can apply for ILR is 28 days before your 5-year anniversary in the UK. So, mark your calendars and let's walk through the application process and the documents you'll need next. Pass the Life in the UK test and provide the reference number of ILR. This is an integral part of your application process. It's a computer-based test, designed to assess your knowledge of life in the UK. Upon passing, you'll receive a unique reference number, which you need to include in your ILR application. Now let's talk about English proficiency. You can prove your command of the language through certificates like ECTS, which is the new name for NARIC, or IELTS. ECTS is a good choice because this certificate never expires, while IELTS expires every 2 years. But here's a tip. If you've studied in the UK, you can just submit your degree instead of these certificates. Next up, your passports. You'll need to submit all your current and old passports, scanning all pages. This is to document your immigration history, including any travels you've made while living in the UK. Your highest degree certificate is also essential. If it's not in English, you'll need to provide a translated version. This is to confirm your educational background and, in some cases, your English language proficiency. Now, let's move to employment-related documents. You'll need an employer's letter detailing your work-related absences and your salary information. This letter should confirm your ongoing employment and that you meet the government's salary requirements. Additionally, you'll need to submit your recent payslips and bank statements showing your salary. These documents serve as further proof of your financial stability and employment status. For your residence, you'll need to include a declaration and consent form. This form, which you can download while filling your application, needs to be signed and uploaded back. Your current biometric residence permit is also required. Finally, you'll need some supporting documents like your certificate of sponsorship, council tax, utility bills, and if applicable, mortgage or rent agreements. These documents provide evidence of your continuous residence in the UK. Certificate of sponsorship, council tax, utility bills, and if applicable, mortgage or rent agreements are also required. Remember, gathering all these essential documents is a crucial step in your journey to obtaining ILR, so take your time and ensure you have everything you need. For dependents, you'll need similar documents, proving your continuous cohabitation and relationship, like joint bills or a marriage certificate. Now, let's talk about the final steps. Everything is submitted online. You don't need to worry about sending off stacks of paper or finding a post office. Just head over to the UK government website. The link is in the description below. There, you can start your application. Take your time to gather all your documents, fill out your details accurately, and make the payment. Remember, a well-prepared application is the key to smooth processing. That's a wrap on how to apply for your indefinite leave to remain in the UK. If you find yourself with any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.